Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NG, and we are doing this series of Unlock Your Data with Data Cloud Trail Mix. And in our previous video we have covered that data cloud powered experiences, but in our recent video we will be covering, that is the today's video, that is the data spaces in data cloud quick look. It will be a very short video consisting of what is the data spaces and what all benefits it can provide us. We have came across this term in our previous module as well, but let's understand it better in this module. So let's open this and we'll get started on this. So I'll start, and in the data cloud, what exactly is the data space? So data space is nothing but a space provided to us in a data cloud where we can organize data to fit our business needs. So basically, in layman term, we can segregate our data. Suppose in data cloud we are having numerous amount of data. Suppose 10,000 records from one data transformation or one source. So out of these 10,000 records, there could be a scenario that we want one user or one brand or one region or department to see only 5,000 number of records, but another set of region would be able to see 2,000, and then another one will be able to see 3,000 number of records. So using data spaces we can accomplish that we will be able to segregate our data and user will be granted access to those data spaces. So even in this diagram, you can understand that data source will be having all data. Then using in the data cloud, in data will be having all data using ingestion or the transformation. After validating, we can have segregated our data into the data spaces. So here they have created data space trees based on different requirements. So those will be able to have different access to the data in the each data spaces. They will be able to view, and there are some use cases so where you can use these scenarios as I have explained, like if you have any region or department based needs, then you can utilize the data space in the data cloud. So if we talk about what is the key benefit and the best practice for the data space is, so key benefit is we will be able to segregate our data, metadata, and processes for these brands, regions, or departments with full autonomy. We'll be able to manage user access control to the designated data spaces through the permission sets as well. Now there are, while implementing the data spaces, there are certain things that we need to be taken care of, or we need to be careful about, that this needs to be we need to be mindful that how we can accomplish this. So first of all, whenever you are having a new customer, so they will be having an access to an empty data space, so they can start using it, but they cannot delete that default data space. They can change its display name as well. So each data space is provisioned with a permission set. So there is a permission set which will allow them to access the data inside of the data space. So when their account is assigned to the data space permission set, they can create the object mapping, identity resolution rule sets, insights, data actions, segments, and even the activation targets in the data space. Now we will talk about who will have the full access or no access at all in terms of the feature of data space. So if we talk about that who will be having the access of create, edit, or delete a data space, so only the system admin will have that access, but neither the data cloud admin, data cloud user, or the data cloud for marketing admin, data cloud marketing data aware specialist, data cloud marketing manager, or even the data cloud marketing specialist will not be even having access to delete a data space, create it, or edit it. Only the system admin will have that access. Now if we talk about who can add the data to the data space, so system admin will not be having access to that as well. Only the data cloud admin can add the data to the data space. Data cloud for market admin will also be able to do that, and even the data cloud marketing data aware specialist as well. So that's how we can work with the data space, and it will help us achieve our requirement to have the segregated data. Now we will come to the quiz. Our first question is, in which scenario does it make sense to use the data spaces? Our first option is Your business has multiple brands, regions, and your users works on data only in the context of their brand or region. Second option is you need to keep data within regional boundaries. Third option is your goal is to unify data across all of your brands. And last is your user needs access to all of your data. So first option is the correct one. Let's move on to the second question, that is which permission sets have permissions to create, edit and delete a data space. So that is the system admin will only have access to create, edit or delete our data space but not any other user. So B option should be the correct one. And let's check. So this is completed, this is done. We are done with the data spaces module, and we are moving through this trail mix. In the next video, we will be covering data cloud basics for marketers. There we will be understand how the data cloud can be useful for the marketers or for the marketing cloud. So stay tuned, and if you like the video, please like it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.